Welcome back to Open Window Politics. Today we're going to be going through the Utah special election results. I'll be giving you guys my perspective on what happened, and I'll be kind of elaborating on the final result of this election. So as you can see here, it eventually ended up in Celeste Malloy winning the Republican primary in this case. There were two other candidates in the race, Becky Edwards and Bruce, and each of them got a good chunk of the vote. It was a pretty close call, but eventually Celeste was able to pull the victory. And this happened for a couple of reasons. In the more moderate Wasatch Front in Utah, Becky Edwards, who's the more moderate candidate, ended up doing really, really well. In Salt Lake, she was able to win with 59% of the vote compared to Bruce's 21%. So she was able to get most of her support in Salt Lake, and then after that she was able to get quite a bit of support in Davis County, where she originally represented in the Utah State House. She was able to get some good support numbers there. Not quite as much as Salt Lake, but she was able to get 47% of the vote. But then the real kicker that helped Celeste win the election is that the more rural parts of Utah came in strong for her. She was able to win 76% of the vote in some cases and was doing incredibly well. But really the two counties that helped her win this special primary was Washington County with St. George, and where she was able to get 12,000 votes compared to Becky Edwards' 5,500. So it was quite a landslide for Celeste there, which kind of helped her take the lead and to win the election. And she was also able to get some pretty good support, not quite as much, population-wise, just because it's so much lower. She was able to get some good support numbers here with 53% of the vote. And these other counties, Tooele County ended up being pretty close. It was only decided by 0.2% of the vote. And but most of these rural counties just came in strong for Celeste, and she was able to win the election. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if there's another election or something else you would like me to cover.